Welcome to my review of Appy. In this video, we'll explore its key features, functionality, and user experience so you can decide if it's right for your app building needs. Check the description for product links. Appy is an intuitive, no-code platform for creating mobile apps without coding knowledge. It's perfect for everyone from small business owners and entrepreneurs to large enterprises seeking cost-effective app development. Create apps for both Android and iOS, making cross-platform development easy. Appy's standout feature is its drag-and-drop interface. Easily add push notifications, GPS, social media integration, and more. Numerous templates help you start quickly, and robust customization options ensure your app is unique while remaining beginner-friendly. Concerned about scalability? Appy offers real-time analytics, app testing, and integration with third-party services like payment gateways and CRMs. Publish directly to the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, all within the platform. Appy offers various pricing plans, from basic to enterprise level, to fit your budget. Their responsive support team provides resources for all skill levels. In short, Appy is a feature-packed solution for building mobile apps without coding. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a large enterprise, Appy delivers. Check the description for more information and start building today.